Remember before vacation, we put riv nuts on everything? Well, I say vacation. I did take a vacation. But there was also like a 6 weeks time period when I was working on the Fiat, then the Ducati broke. So if you look right there, I cut out the opening for the driver's side suspension. And then I had this one curving in and going down, trying to get up in here. Problem was, it's gonna get in the way. But the other problem was, it's almost impossible to get on with the suspension on there. So I'd have to bring it in, get it down, then it would, so this way it'll just drop on, because the suspension is gonna be on before we put this on, right? I mean, that's the idea. I got all of the rib nuts along the inside. I got this other piece attached with rib nuts. And I'm gonna get this fucking fender mocked up. It's not as easy as you want it to be, but I think I'll be okay. So those aren't lined up yet, and this one's off. This one's too far back because this is gonna have to pinch in, but it bolts to the grill. It bolts to the grill, sorry. And then here, and here. This is gonna mount here. Yep. So that gets rib nuts. So we're on the bench. This is the grill. I'm actually on the wrong side, but it's okay. The side we're attaching's over there. But I'm going to have to do this one anyway. So I straightened these out because they were wavy. And then do this before you get it chromed. So they just had these things for sheet metal screws, basically, to go through, and I don't like it. So I ground them down, get them flat. And then I got the carbide bit on the Dremel, and we're going to work around the hole. So it's got raised ends, right? Because it's been fucked with for so long. So we're gonna get rid of that. Okay, I lost you again. So switch, twist. If we go up to the fourth one, okay. So now we have our attachment points. This is quarter inch by 20. And then I think I'm going to do the same thing up here, but on the fender side. think I'm gonna do them all 1/4 inch by 20. If it'll fit. I got, what? How much is it protruding? 8 millimeters. I think I have enough space. 8.34. 8 millimeters is 5/16. If I get a 1/2 inch long bolt, yeah, it should work. Let's go check it out. This was what I wanted to get done tonight. But since we're here, let's go see. This is gonna go here. It's off by about 1 inch. That's because this needs to push like this. So that thing needs rib nuts in the bottom for this. And these will all be, those will all be 1032s. It's already threaded here for, those are 5/16. I don't think I tapped them again. But I got one right here. And they're crooked as shit. Not too bad. Okay, before I attempt to put that on there, I'm going to do the next fender and get my valence panel, rear lower valence on, because that's going to spread it out the right distance. And then I can get my grill in there get it all fitted. And I got to do the other thing over there. So we'll stop here and pick it up on the next time doing this other side. And then I got a ribbon at the bottom of that grill again. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. You'll have a good day.